Hey there, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. This is all the places that you can find me: Twitter, Instagram, on YouTube, and some others. This is one of 2 Target beauty boxes in February. Pucker up! It's all lip products. The secret to keeping your lips looking plump and luscious. Treating them with some TLC, tender loving care, and the right products. So there's everything from a cooling gel mask to a vibrant matte lipstick. So these are some of Target's faves. So let's get into them and find out what they are. So pucker up. It's got this cute little box with all these little lips on it. Ooh, so cute. So adorbs. So obviously a $3 coupon that I didn't use. Okay, like this. Is this not? So it's like a little gel, cooling gel that it's supposed to give you like at-home spa experience. You put it in the fridge for like an hour or the freezer for like 30 minutes, and then you put it on after you've like done a little lip scrub. Isn't that adorable? Whoo! It's by 12NYC, 12 New York City. Okay. Dr. Bronner lip balm. I like to keep lip balm by my bed at night. If you've watched any of my Facebook Live videos during quarantine, you know that my bedtime videos, I'm always putting like lip balm on. This, I think, is sealed though, so I gotta figure that out. Oh, there we go. So it's a peppermint lip balm. Excited to put that by my bed. Then we've got Burt's Bees Moisturizing Lip Mask. It's another one. Put it on your lips. Let it go. Da -da 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 -da. This one you don't put in the freezer or the fridge. Then we've got lip scrub. St. Ives. Ooh, fruity. It is passion fruit scrub-a-dub-dub. And Milani. Okay, let's see here. I've already got some lip stuff on here. Let's take that off. Okay. Milani Bold Color Statement Matte Lipstick. Ooh, it's like a dark, kind of red. Like a dark red? Like brown? Maroon? Pucker up. Okay. Oh, but we've got another one here. Okay, this one is Sexy Mother. Sexy Mother Pucker! Which I can't. Okay, don't do that. Like, really, don't. It's bad. Okay, so it is Plums Up. Okay, so it's a plumping gloss that makes your lips buzz, and it complements this color that I already have here, so. However, it by itself is a little sheer. So wear it on top of this and give it a little shine. And then finally we have the Burt's Bees Peony Lip Shimmer. I can't get it open. I really got to remember to unseal things before I... So it's shea butter, beeswax, antioxidant-rich fruit oils. It's just a nice little sheer lip tint for one of those days when you want to go very au naturel, but just a little glimmer of color. There's everything you can pucker up with. This is where to follow me. And until next time, stay beautiful.